Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself, and it will take longer for you to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 5, NASDAQ down 23, S&P's off 6.5. Gold contract up $3.60, trading at $1,599 an ounce. Silver down 34 cents, trading at $27.97 an ounce, and that broke out a low, folks. That's going to have some problems here. Platinum up 21 bucks, trading out at $1,593 an ounce. Copper down 3 pennies at $3.37 a pound. Copper's on its way down to that 323 area. Big move downtown there. Oil down 35 cents, trading at 96.88. Bonds up 12 ticks at 144.27. King dollar down 2.75 at 82.90. That pulled back with lighter volume. That's building cars, folks, to get up to that 84.25. Euro up 31 ticks at 128.51. And the yen down 87, trading at 93.35. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look. And what do you have? We're at 1561, and what 1561 does do, folks, it got back inside the 1563. That was the top of the range. That's saying, okay, it's going to get down to the 1588. 38, and we'll see if we get any juice on the way down. What you have out here today is that you got to a high, you had lighter volume, failed on price, failed on volume, all of the above. That says now it's going to get down to the other side of the top of this range. But it's 22 points, 22 S&P points downtown. We go to the Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. Dow Industrials. Sideways day, down $5. You closed out at 14,572, and bottom line, let's see, she's not inside the lower range yet. That lower range would have been about another 20 points lower. And what was interesting is that right into the close, that's where it got a little juice back. NASDAQ Composite. Now, NASDAQ Composite, different ball game. Composite's down $28. That's after getting into a high, having lighter volume, 1.4 versus 1.6, giving it up. The NDX in particular, get the cream cheese out, get the butter out, folks. It's toast. That was down $21. That also got to a high, closed not only in the range, downtown in the range. The NDX 100 right now, we're at 27.97. That's going to be making the run down there for 27.63. That's about another $30 down. Inside the NDX 100 today, of course, Apple was the big number. Apple's down $13.75. Apple's going after this B point, folks. And now this is going to be nasty. This is what you have. Apple, the low of Apple is $4.19. And this has been building cars, folks, since January 24th. So bottom line, I suspect what you're going to see is that this little baby, this go after it tomorrow. This will go after this low tomorrow. You break out that low, it's another monster ABC down. Your A point on this is 541, and your B is down there at, so it's $1.28 to B. That'll put it down into 349, just breaking the B point of an ABC structure on the way down. So it's a big number. Now, small caps. You want to see something that's getting toasted and roasted? Man, they come on heavy. Russell 2000 down $12. 6.5 hours just took back a month of trading. The IWM, if you take a look at that IWM, what you have, monster volume. Bottom line, 55 million shares. We're at 93.16 right now. She's on her way down. She's actually, it looks to me like this IWM is on the way down to actually $84. 877-927-6648. Let's go to Tom in Tampa. Hey, Tom, what's going on?
Hey, blue skies today, bluer tomorrow.
I know. It's been some beautiful weather. No doubt about it, man. No doubt about it.
It certainly is. Hey, Tom, this bounce here on the euro, you think it's still going to get back into that 129.50 area?
Okay, so the euro, folks, you know, had gone straight down from that 137.11. Last Tuesday, we hit the 127.51. We're at 128.52. What? Yes, and what happens, Tom and folks, is this: what you don't want to do is that because this move was so extraordinary on the way down, and listen, folks, the euro is going a lot lower. You have to just sit there and wait until it can at least get into this 129.67 area. You know what I'm saying? Because then what happens there, folks, is this: the setup is much better because you can put your stop on the other side of that. You see what I'm saying? Now, and let me ask you something: are you trading this using the Nadex platform, Tom?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm on Think or Swim. I'm going to get over there.
No,
though,
that's all right. The reason I'm asking is this: is that the now what does happen, folks? Now I trade the euro in the futures also, Tom, but I also traded in the Nadex platform. The reason I'm asking is this: if you haven't tried the Nadex platform yet, folks, go out and test drive it. They added a huge amount. Well, first off, the platform is dynamite, but if you're trading currencies, they added a huge amount of currencies on Friday with different strike points. So when you're doing the currencies in particular, folks, what ends up happening is that your defined risk is very small, you know. So it's basically it's a good scene. And as you open it, folks, just do a test drive first. They'll put $25,000 in your account. But Tom, before you basically sell into it again, let it bounce, man. And it's going to be interesting because all day long, I mean, I can't wait to short it again either. But the bottom line is that it's not here. Do you know what I mean?
Right.
Okay, brother.
Okay, Tom.
Have a great one, man. Have a safe one. What happens, folks, is that when you get a downdraft, this is just dramatic. Somehow this thing's going to bounce, you know. Let's go to Mark in Fort Collins. Hey, Mark, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how are you?
Doing great, man. You having a good day out there? Have a good weekend?
A great weekend. You?
Yes, thank you.
Good. So I'm itching to short this XLE, but I watched it do a couple things today that makes me think it's going to go test that 80 something.
Yeah, look at it. It's amazing, actually. You know, particularly, so you get the XLE, you know, this is the energy sector, folks, and you know, just as Mark said, it's there, but what should not have happened today, which did, is you know, it didn't back off, you know, and with the NDX 100 getting smoked and the Russell getting smoked, yeah, I would say that there's something inside that. Let me just see something.
Looks like CVX tested the low from Friday on lighter volume.
Yeah, all right. So what he just said, and this is one of the largest weighting. After ExxonMobil, CVX is the largest weighting, folks. So CVX did come off the lows. Okay, so CVX is at up 79 today. So CVX is going to try to test. Well, it's already doing it. It's testing the 119.56. So this is where this gets deviant. What it did, CVX came down hard on Friday, folks. Now, you got up today with 4.3 million, and you could make the argument saying, just, you know, okay, that was the test of Friday's low on lighter volume, but what it really was also was pushing into the high with lighter volume, the low of the high with lighter volume. Right. Yeah, I'd wait on this one again. You know what? I mean, let me see.
If you look at the XLE, you look at March 19th, high at 79.09 with 12.5 million, and you look at the high bar high day of 314 and the low is 79.07. So it pushed into those.
Yeah, right.
Inside.
Yeah. What he's looking at. So on March 19th, folks, okay, we had 12.2 million. And when that did come down today, that was coming into it and rejected that price. Yeah, no. It's
inside the high bar day.
Yeah, it did. And it's the same, and it has backing on the other side on that February 25th, too.
Yeah.
So the small caps and NASDAQ, I mean, yeah, that's where I'd go, man.
Okay, thanks.
Cooking, brother. Have a great one, man. Have a safe one. Let's go over and take a look at the silver market, folks. There's divergence out here, and what it is this. Silver broke out its low today. Not good, by the way, okay? What you don't have, thank God, for the folks that are in the silver market, is that you didn't break a B point or an ABC structure. You did break it, by the way, okay, but didn't break it with volume. You're at 27.95, but, you know, bottom line is that you broke that baby out, and breaking that baby out is saying, hey, $25 is coming at you. So what's going to be intriguing here is that when that's down to 25 bucks, is the gold contract going to be testing those lows? Because there's definitely divergence inside the metals market right now. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.